The foods you eat greatly impact your overall health. A couple of physicians nowadays are prescribing foods not just to manage weight but also to prevent and treat chronic diseases. If certain foods can trigger health conditions, others provide strong medicinal qualities. Nonetheless, it's important to note that diet alone cannot and should not replace medicine in every situation. Yes, many illnesses can be prevented or cured by dietary changes, but many others cannot as well. Here are 7 fruits you want to stock your kitchen with before you open your medicine cabinet. Some of them could be your favorites like strawberries and kiwis, which we will be delving more next, so keep watching. 1. Strawberries. Many dark-colored fruits are known for their cardiovascular health benefits, and strawberries are no different. Health experts claim that these red berries help lower your blood pressure by relaxing and soothing the lining of your blood vessels. Furthermore, it has also been found out that strawberries may reduce the risk of cancer, including esophageal, lung, skin, breast, and bladder cancer. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries belong to the healthful dark-colored fruit family. When it comes to health benefits, it's a powerhouse on its own right with its high nutrient and compound content. These include phenolic acids and flavonoids that enhance your immune system. Additionally, cranberries may help neutralize free radicals. They also have anti-cancer properties, helping curb the spread of colon, prostate, and oral cancer cells. 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is among the healthiest fruits we have on Earth. They aren't just nutrient-dense but also carry powerful plant compounds that offer several health benefits. For instance, one pomegranate has 3 times higher levels of antioxidants than green tea and red wine. Antioxidants are important in protecting your skin and body. This fruit also has anti-inflammatory effects that may help cut the risk of cancer. 4. Mango. Mangoes are a great source of vitamin C. These fruits also pack soluble fiber, which is responsible for their many health aspects. Moreover, mangoes are high in anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, thus helping reduce the risk of disease. In a study conducted on animals, mangoes have been revealed to protect against diabetes. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are one of the healthiest citrus fruits. Aside from being an excellent source of minerals and vitamins, these fruits aid in weight loss and help reduce insulin resistance. On top of that, eating grapefruits regularly has been shown to help prevent kidney stones and minimize cholesterol levels. 6. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away may just be more than just a mere saying. In fact, these popular fruits are incredibly nutritious, containing a high amount of fiber and vitamins. According to studies, apples can also promote heart health, thanks to the antioxidants present in them. Also, an apple contains pectin, a prebiotic fiber that improves digestion and metabolic health. So, next time you're having a digestive problem, try eating an apple. 7. Tangerine. Tangerines may just be your next favorite fruit with their hearty health benefits. Studies have shown that eating tangerines may help protect your body against the group of risk factors called metabolic syndrome. These risks include high blood pressure and high fasting blood sugar. Furthermore, the fruit's peel may also assist in preventing certain cancer types due to the compound called salvestral Q40 found on the peel. Any thoughts about this video? Comment them below.